Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to test your RAM by using the Memtest86 software. So first I'll be showing you how to download and install it, then create a bootable pen drive, and finally we will be testing our RAM and going through the reports. So let's get started. So the prerequisite is going to be you must have a pen drive and it needs to be formatted. So let's get ready that first. So here in my case I am having this particular pen drive and I don't have any data in it. So in case if you are having a pen drive and it has data, just have a backup of it, and once you are done with that, just format the pen drive. So just go here, right click on the pen drive and select format and just click on start. Okay, yep, that is done. And now just search for Memtest86. We'll be getting the official link. Just click it. If you scroll down over here, we are having the download option. Click it, and here we are having two versions of Memtest. One is Memtest86 Pro, which is the paid version, and another one is the free version. So let's go with the free version over here. Let me just click it. So it will be getting downloaded as a zip file, just 12 MB in size. So just go inside the downloads folder, right click on it and just click on extract files and select OK. And we'll be having this folder. Open it, and here we are having the image USB application type file. Just open it, and we'll be getting this create and write an image of a USB drive. And step 1 is select the USB drive to be processed. So as you can see, I am having my HP USB flash drive. This is the drive that I formatted a while ago. So in case if you are having multiple USB drives connected, make sure that you are selecting the right one. So I will just click this, and next step is just leave it to default, write image to USB drive, post image verification, let that be fine. And next is select the image file to write to the USB drive. This is by default added with the right path, don't change it. And at the end just click on write, and we'll be getting the overall progress over here. Just click it, and it's again like giving us a confirmation and verification pop-up if we have selected the right flash drive. Just click on yes, and it's giving us the final warning. So we have already formatted it, so we don't care about it. Just click on yes. So it will take some time, just be patient till then. So once the progress is complete, we will be getting an pop-up like this saying imaging completed, and we can just click on OK. So we will be getting the partition in our pen drive, and as you can see here in my USB drive D, I am having these files available. So now is the important step. We need to restart our system with the pen drive connected, and we need to get into the boot menu. So I will show you the list of keys that we need to press after restarting our system to get into the boot menu. I will show this both for like the PC motherboards as well as the laptop brands. So just press the key that is required to get inside boot menu. So I'll just restart my system now. So my device is a HP device, so I press the key F9. So this has taken into my boot menu. So by default it will always go with the Windows Boot Manager, but this time we need to boot from the flash drive that we have already connected, because that has the Memtest86 software. So here in your boot menu, just select the option that shows the USB flash drive, just in my case. So in some cases it may ask you to put the particular option as the number 1, and it will automatically boot from that. So in that case you need to put the USB flash drive as the number 1 option. So here I will just hit enter after selecting my flash drive option, and now it will boot the Memtest software from my flash drive. So that's it, we are getting the Memtest interface, and this will automatically start the Memtest. So here as you can see, the testing has started, and for me it took around 1 to 2 hours for the test to get completed. and at the top we can see our processor, and to the left we are seeing the cache, the memory, the model of the RAM that we have, DDR4, and we are also getting that pass percentage and the test percentage also. So basically we are having multiple different types of test. So at the moment test 4 moving inversion is running, so this will take some time to run, and in case if there is any errors when running it, we will be getting the memtest report as a HTML file, and that gets stored inside our file explorer and we can view that. So for now just be patient and don't escape or something. So as you can see here, we are totally having 4 passes. So here you can see, right, at the moment it is in pass 1/4 and some tests are running. Earlier I showed you, right, test 4 was going on and now test 7 was going. So as I told you earlier, you need to be patient for around 1.5 hours to 2 hours for everything to get completed. So once the test has completed, I am getting this pass message like this, which means that there aren't any errors over here. And here we are getting some of the statistics, CPU temperature and elapsed time, and the highest memory speed, lowest memory speed, the number of tests completed, number of tests passed. So in my case it's 48 out of 48, which means that I don't have any errors. So if any of the tests failed, which means that there is some problem with your RAM. And again it says press any key to continue. So I'll just press any key and save an HTML report to this particular file. So we need to press Y for it. So I'll just press the key Y, and we will be getting this particular home interface. Okay, so this is the interface that we will be getting if we had pressed the config. So just press the key I for system info, T for test selection. So we are having these many tests available. A for address range, CPU selection, S to start the test. So you can just go through these settings and just get an idea, RAM benchmark and everything. So now I will just exit. So for exiting we need to just press the X key. So I will just click on it and it will say system will automatically restart. So we can just simply click on exit memtest and we can just click on continue boot. So this will by default carry on with the existing boot, that is our Windows. Select it. So now I have restarted my system, and if I go to the USB drive, I'm going here and EFI boot, and as you can see here we are having that report HTML file. So just open it, and here we will be having the summary of our test, the manufacturer, product name, version, everything, every detail about our test and the test that it conducted, everything, the errors and stuff, the certification, everything has been perfectly given over here. So I think this is more than enough for testing your RAM. And in case if you are having 2 RAM slots and if you are feeling like your RAM is causing the issue, what I would recommend you to do is test all the possibilities of your RAM and slots. So let's suppose say you are having RAM 1 and RAM 2, and let's say you are having slot A and slot B. First what you are doing is you need to connect both the RAMs and test it once, and in the second place you are going to remove your RAM B. So you will be having your RAM 1 in slot A and you will be testing the single RAM alone. After that you need to get the report and check it. After that disconnect RAM from slot A and put it in slot B and test it separately, get the report, then completely remove RAM 1, take RAM 2, put it in slot A, test it, then get the report. So basically you must try all the permutation and combination. You must individually test each RAM in each slot so that you are covering all the cases. So either there could be some issue with the slot, or in some cases there could be issue with the RAM itself. So if you are having multiple slots, I would recommend you to do this. And that's basically it, guys. Do let me know in the comments what you think about it. Check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Thanks for watching.